Hi, I'm Paul Holofko, and today we're going to talk about the DIYer's version of the hydroponic system, which is actually quite easy to use. All you have to know is all the parts that you have to have for the system and how to put them together. So let's go ahead and start that. In this particular case right here, you have the grow area. You have basically a grow area of Hydrotone, which is a kind of a poofy type of balls that absorb the water, or you can use a rafting type of system where you have baskets where you put your plants in the baskets. Here the roots grow out into the water and they float on top of a styrofoam raft. Very simple to do. If you're going to be using a system like this with the Hydrotone, you really need to have it drain and flood. It's called a flood and drain system. There are a variety of auto flood and drains. You can do it with a water pump by turning it on and off, but generally the failure rate on that's quite high. Or you can do an auto siphon. And an auto siphon is you have a bell siphon or a gooseneck siphon or a J siphon, and any of those type will be put into your system and drain the water. As water is pumped into your system, it then automatically sucks it back out so that air can get to your roots of your plants. That's it. You have a reservoir, you have a pump, you have Hydrotone, you have a grow bed, you have lights if you're going to be doing it outside, you have grow lights, HID lights or any type of lights, and then you have water. Lastly, you have to worry about the chemicals that you need to put in there. You have a couple options when it comes to chemicals. One is you can use fish or fish poop, which then we call the aquaponics system, or you can use a hydroponic system where you buy the chemicals in a hydroponic store. But by the way, all this stuff you can get in a hydroponic store. And you put the right amount of chemicals weekly in there. The only thing you have to really monitor is the EC content, which is called electroconductivity. That's another piece you have to monitor, which is then in voltage or in parts per million. So once you have everything together and you put the system together, you'll have great vegetables and plants growing for as long as you want to. I'm Paul Holofko.